I'ma beat it like a drum, dee 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 dum dum. Pop pop it like a rum, pa pa pum pa pum pum. I'ma beat it like a drum, dee 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 dum dum. I dee dee dum dum, I dee dee dum dum.
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਕੇ ਵਖਾ ਲੱਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਹਿਲਾ ਦੇ ਰਾਸ਼ੀ ਤੋਂ
The first of all, make sure washing machine connect to electric current. The second, prepare 1 pack of detergent, then put in a dipper. Then pour. So mix it with water. The amount of detergent depends on the number of clothes being washed. Then put the detergent that was in the washing machine slowly. After that, close the washing machine and press the power button. So you can adjust the amount of water. The amount of water depends on the number of clothes being washed. Next, press button start. Wait for a minute. 8. When the time shows 15 minutes, press the button pause. So you can cut the clothes perfume with scissors. And then put in the clothes perfume slowly. Next, press the start button and you can wait a little longer. After the washing machine makes a finished washing sound, press the power button. So finally open the lid of the washing machine and move the clothes into a drying place.